If you've forgotten your Google Gmail username, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover it step by step. This is a quick and easy process, and all you need is either your recovery phone number or your recovery email, plus the name linked to the account. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/username recovery. This is Google's official username recovery page, and it's the safest place to start if you can't remember which Gmail address you used. Once the page loads, you'll see a field asking for your recovery information. Enter either your recovery phone number or your recovery email address here. Make sure you type it exactly as it was originally added to the account, because Google uses this to match your identity. After you enter your recovery phone number or recovery email, click Next. Google will then ask you to confirm the name associated with the account. This should be your first name and last name exactly as they were linked to the Gmail account. If you use the middle name or a different spelling when setting up the account, use the version that matches as closely as possible. Once you've entered your name, click Next again. Now Google will send a verification code to your recovery phone number or recovery email. Go ahead and check your phone messages or your inbox for that code. If you don't see it right away, wait a few moments and check your spam folder or message notifications just in case. Enter the verification code into the recovery page and submit it. After Google verifies the code, it will display the Gmail usernames associated with that recovery information. This is the step you've been waiting for, because now you can finally see which Gmail account belongs to you. Take note of the username shown on the screen, and if you have more than one account listed, choose the one you recognize. Once you've recovered your Gmail username, I recommend saving it somewhere secure so you don't have to go through this process again later. You can write it down in a password manager, store it in a secure notes app, or link it to another recovery method that you can access easily in the future, and that's it. You've now learned how to recover a Google Gmail username using Google's official recovery page. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.